Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video series. And the table topic for today is okay. Table topic for today is, who do you think stands between you and happiness? Who do you think stands between you and happiness? Who do you stands between you and your happiness? It is you. Yes, you heard it right. It is you that stands between you and happiness. Sounds unbelievable, right? Often that we think there are many other things that are impacting our happiness. But if we deep dive, then we would realize that it is not the case. Happiness is not a state, it's a state of mind. If you decide you are happy, I know that I'm being sounded like just talking about something from uh, books, right? But we can try to be happy. It may happen that I may be very tense, but I'm trying very hard to be happy. I can't, right? It's very hard to switch your state of mind. So, how do we think about, how do I think about it? I believe that it is the person itself that stands between you and happiness. And why I believe that? Because we, so we need to deep dive a little bit that why do we get unhappy? If I talk about myself, that I get unhappy when the outcomes are not according to what I have thought, right? The outcomes are different to my expectation. So it's the expectation, right? Expectation about things that we don't control, right? I want to get rich very quickly. So it's my expectation, right? But that can be wrong expectation. And if I don't get richer quickly, then it would turn to unhappiness. Maybe I would want to purchase something, and if I'm not able to purchase something, then I would get unhappy. I was preparing for an exam for 2 years because I believed that I would crack it, and I couldn't, and that leads to unhappiness. So these things will always keep happening. What does matter is what is our attitude towards it. It's fine if you get failure, embrace it and work hard for another success. We should have this attitude in life. That's what I believe, that if we want to be happy, we need to detach from our expectation, try to think for the bigger picture. That's it. Thank you. Over to you.